Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
High referral rewards. 4 days left to invite. You will earn a $900 bonus and they will earn a $600 bonus when they complete their 270th delivery in St. Louis within 60 days. Let's talk about it, Dan. This right here, you see all that greatness? Man, I didn't have to schedule for a 30-minute dash. Why in any universe would I be trying to refer a dasher to my zone? Yeah, I'm gonna get $900 when they complete 270 deliveries, and in the meantime, I'm not gonna get no orders. Look at this. Time for DoorDash might be over in my market. DoorDash is offering the $900 referral bonus once again, and it's already been like really suspect on DoorDash lately. And with this bonus coming back, it's just basically the writing on the wall right there. You know, I already been making less and less money with DoorDash over the course of the last basically 8 months. And I'm pretty sure a lot of Dashers out there been dealing with the same things now. If you have, I want to make sure that you know, just hear what I got to say on this video, because I want to talk about it. So DoorDash then offered this referral bonus multiple times throughout, you know, its lifetime. We all know this. It's been multiple different amounts. It's even been as high as, you know, $1,000, over $1,000. I've seen it pretty high. But now that they reintroduced this, you know, they offering $900 incentive for referral bonus and $600 to the dasher who you referring. So altogether, you're talking about $1,500. And the only thing you got to do is complete 270 deliveries. So just imagine, okay, first of all, I ain't doing 270 deliveries in a month, me. But let's just say a brand new dasher get an account and they, you know, start delivering. DoorDash is basically saying that they finna prioritize the hell out of this new dasher, okay? That means all the dashers that's out there ain't finna get no orders because they finna give 270 deliveries to this brand new dasher with this brand new baby account. It's quite ridiculous. And I already been, you know, dealing with not getting any orders that I do see paying low or not paying much at all. You know, the days of getting those high tip amounts, those are just gone, because those is going to all the people in the large order program and the people getting the high priority orders, okay? And at the same time, even though they getting those orders, they still are having to accept a whole bunch of trash in order to get there. Like, y'all done seen the screenshots I done thrown up. You know, they try to scam you with the cash on delivery. They try to give you all the hand-to-me customers when you do earn by time. I mean, DoorDash is basically a scam at this point. It's basically a scam just to trick new drivers into getting a couple orders delivered before they realize what's going on. Now, yes, you can make some money here and there, but for the most part, DoorDash just went down the drain. And it ain't too many people out there making good money every single day with DoorDash. And with this right here in my market, St. Louis, Missouri, all the good markets that we had left is pretty much done with now. Because if they all get, you know, 5 or 10 people in referred to each zone, it's a wrap. Because you got to figure 5 people, there's going to be 1,000 orders a month that you not finna see. So if you in the St. Louis market or you working around in the Illinois market, like, look, and I'm pretty sure you didn't see this referral too. I ain't referred nobody, because I ain't trying to make no money off this. Like, that $900, yeah, it's extra $900 in my pocket, but they gonna get 1,000 orders in the next 2 months. Well, I'm probably not gonna see none now. You know what I'm saying? If they dash it right next to me, because not only is they gonna have a brand new account, right? They're gonna have a brand new account that's getting prioritized because it's gonna have perfect ratings. It's gonna be getting super priority because this is gonna be one of the accounts that they funneling the most orders to make sure that you get that 270 or at least somewhere close to it. So look, I think I'm gonna be pretty much done with DoorDash. I'm still gonna turn it on, do a couple orders here and there, but a full day ride along it is gonna be pretty much impossible. You know what I'm saying? Unless it's super busy. Because like I say, if they add 5 or 10 more people to the roster and then they getting, you know, 200 deliveries in a month, bruh, I had a contract violation that lasted for a month and a half because I'm not getting enough orders. Day by day, I'm not getting enough orders, profitable orders at that, to get these contract violations gone. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So let me know in the comments below. Look, what you think about this referral bonus? What you think about DoorDash basically trying to flood the market? They already send the messages like, hey, It's busy over in this zone. Why don't you consider changing zones? You know, it's going to be busy for an hour and a half. And we all know that's like historical data when they give you hotspot data. That's like, it was orders over there. So they trying to tell you to go over there because it's a possibility. It could be orders over there based off of previous data. But no, that don't mean nothing. Look, if they adding people and then they adding people to the roster, paying them in advance, basically, because you're getting an upfront payment on the orders you're not gonna see by doing that referral bonus. That's basically what you're doing to yourself. And then on the flip side, they telling people, oh, it's too busy, we don't need you. So you got Dash now, but then they hit you with the, oh, it's too busy, we got enough Dashers, or they telling you the amount of Dashers, or they telling you it's peak pay, or they sending you a notification telling you it's busy. Look, be on the lookout. Watch out for this because it's going to affect a lot of zones. Like me, I'm about to do less DoorDash. I'm actually doing an Instacart order right now. You know, because I told myself, look, DoorDash is adding more people and they trying to pay them less. So that means it's going to be harder for me to make $100 a day with just DoorDash. So I'm going to pivot and start doing some other things. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to start getting really into my stock trading. But that's a whole nother thing about, we're making $100 with DoorDash. You got to try really, really, really hard now. It is not easy anymore. Okay, you got to work hard to get your ratings up by taking orders that you normally would not take, or orders that are just straight up not profitable for you. Or you got to, you know what I'm saying? Shit, I don't know what you got to do for real. I mean, I tried changing markets and it did work, but the thing is, are you willing to waste that, 20, 30-minute drive in gas every day going to a market that you don't normally drive in? How you going to make it work in your... Okay, so you make 900. Okay, you make $900, and then your counterpart, the person you refer, they make $600. That's $1,500 in a month that you're not making on DoorDash, right? Because ain't too many people out here making that $1,500 a month on DoorDash. I know most regular Dashers ain't. So that's $1,500. If you refer a Dasher, you basically not finna get no orders for 2 months. Because if they Dasher right next to you, they getting priority over everything that you would see. So if you get orders, it's gonna be orders that you gotta decline. And it's gonna be orders you don't like. So make sure you pay close attention when you see this come in your market. Might be the time for you to start doing some different things and making money some different ways, so that you ain't, stuck on the sidelines when DoorDash decide to flip the script on you. Now look, I'm about to drop off this Instacart order. Are you dealing with oversaturation in your market? Is it a parking lot full of Dashers when you pull up to a Chick-fil-A? Is you in there looking at brand new Dashers holding a DoorDash bag and looking down at their phone and don't know where the pickup rack is at? Let me know if you're dealing with these things in your market. Because look, DoorDash is ramping up on Dashers. They trying to have as many Dashers on the road as possible so that they can have as many, uneducated heads to deliver these no-tip orders. Guys, I'm trying to tell you. Because look, it is not more tipping customers being added to the platform. It is not a better quality customer being added to the platform. The only things being added to the platform is more manipulation, more, lower base pay. They add in lower base pay, you know what I'm saying? And then they add in newer Dashers who they expect to take that lower base pay. So look, guys, as always, no tip, no trip. Tell them we not playing. Stop playing with me. We is not taking no $5 order going 15 miles. No, we not having it. And we not trying to refer no new Dashers to flood the market either. So look, if you made it this far in the video, you the real MVP. Stop playing with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.